Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, I'm excited to share a dish that's packed with flavor and perfect for any meal, smothered chicken breasts. This recipe is all about tender chicken breasts, savory bacon, sweet caramelized onions, and cheese coming together in harmony to create a stunning, delectable entree that is so easy to make. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. We'll start off by cutting our bacon strips in half. Next, fry up your bacon till it's crispy and golden. When it's done, go ahead and remove from heat. Prepare your chicken breasts by slicing them horizontally to make a chicken fillet. Season your fillets generously with salt. Next, season on both sides with lemon pepper seasoning. Now we're going to start preparing our caramelized onions. We can start doing this by giving them a good slice. Next, we're going to saute our onions in the bacon grease. Now we're going to add our brown sugar and cook until the onion is golden for about 5 minutes. Those are looking good. Man, I love onions. Remove from heat and save for later. Next, we're going to oil up our pan and fry our chicken breasts. They are already pretty thin, so this shouldn't take very long. Once they are golden brown, flip them and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to be really sure, use a thermometer and it should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove from heat and set aside. Now to plate our dish. We'll start off with a handful of arugula. Place that chicken breast gently on top. Next, generously top that chicken breast with the Colby-Monterey Jack cheese. Next, we're going to melt our cheese. You can do this by putting it under the broiler for a couple minutes, or be a badass and torch it. Now that that's done, place 2 pieces of bacon on each chicken breast. Did you forget about those caramelized onions? Well, they go right over the bacon. Finally, garnish with a handful of Colby-Monterey Jack cheese. And there it is, smothered chicken breasts. It's one of my favorite recipes, and I'm sure you'll love it. The chicken is tender and juicy, the bacon adds a perfect crunch, and the caramelized onions bring everything together with a touch of sweetness. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I'll see you next time.
So good.
That's good. Real good. with me.